So you might be in a weird situation where for some reason your Samsung Galaxy camera is very blurry. Now what does this mean? Well, maybe you're trying to go through and take photos or videos, or you're doing whatever you can on your Samsung Galaxy camera, but you're noticing no matter what you do, the camera is actually a little bit blurry. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do in order to actually fix this problem is you want to actually go through and essentially check out the hardware of that particular camera. So go ahead and look at that camera. You want to go and see if there's any smudges or like watermarks or anything along the camera side of these particular phones. For a ton of people, you would not believe, literally, the main issue you might be having is that the cameras may actually be blurry and, the hardware may not be good in and of itself. So what you're going to want to do, or what you're going to want to try doing, is to go ahead and wipe out the cameras and just wipe them down as you normally would. That in and of itself can be one of the most important things that you do. So go ahead, wipe down the cameras that you normally would use, and that can probably be one of the best things you can probably end up doing. So wipe down the cameras, you can get a cloth, wipe it down a little bit too, and that might end up working for you. Now if you do that and that's not working, the next thing you may want to do is to go back into your camera sensor and see if for some reason it's one particular camera that's causing this issue. So what you can do is you can zoom in all the way. Now if it's blurry when you're zoomed in, that's going to be okay. But if you're also using the ultra wide camera and this is also kind of blurred out or it's kind of weird, then that means the camera hardware may actually end up having a problem. So what you can do is you can go ahead and kind of, view one camera at a time. And if one camera is blurry and the other one's not, you may just want to swap in between modes. So swap in between this mode or this mode. Try to see if there's like a different mode that you can use that might end up fixing this problem too. On top of that, if you want, you can try using a third-party camera application. So instead of the one that you came with your Samsung Galaxy, you can also just switch over to a different type of camera device. So you can switch to a different third-party camera. If you can install the Google camera, you can try that too. Try a different camera lens and see if that ends up fixing the problem. You can also try updating your Android phone as well. So make your way over to your settings application right here. Scroll all the way down until you see software update. Click on download and install. And download and install the latest update available for your phone. And that could very well end up fixing the problem for you too. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.